WeatherRate certified 8 years in a row.
Welcome back to ABC for Utah Midday. We are at Weather School on Thursdays, as we always do during the school year. We're at Academy Park Elementary in West Valley. Thanks so much to Mrs. LaBonnell and Mrs. Watson for having our two classes in today. Give it up for your teachers, right? Aren't they the best? Yeah. Great response. Love to hear it. Now, in the last 30 minutes, we have talked an awful lot about a big thing coming in. This is going to be an easy one. Who around me here wants to answer the question of what big thing is coming in a little bit later? What's your name?
Tanner.
Tanner, what big thing is coming in that we got to keep an eye on?
A storm.
A storm. All right, we're 1 for 1. Good job, Tanner. Good listening skills out there. I'm going to get up, but we can watch Mr. Greg here, and we'll go around the room and try to answer some more questions here. But the other part of this is this week has been so what? This is another softball easy question. This week, weather-wise, has been pretty what? What's your name?
Joseph.
Joseph, this week's been pretty what?
Good.
Been pretty good. The weather's been pretty nice, right? Mild, warm. And that storm's going to come in, though, Tanner told us. And that storm, and who's been paying attention? That storm's going to be coming in when? I saw this lady raise her hand. What is your name?
Gracie.
Gracie, I love that name. It's so cute. Let's go look at here, Mr. Greg back behind us here. Gracie, when is that storm expected to come in?
Saturday.
Saturday is the real beginning of it, and that's exactly right. Saturday, and then after we go from Saturday going into Sunday, we have a big transition that we're going to get a lot of what air coming in behind it that is going to be a big part of our forecast. Corey, I know you're going to know the answers. Well, he answered it already. I asked her already. Who wants else to answer what's going to come in? What is your name?
Amelie.
Amelie? Okay, what's going to come in on Sunday? A lot of what air that's going to have a big change?
Snow.
And so that means the air is going to be warm or cold?
Cold.
That's right. It's going to be cold. So Sunday we have to really keep a sharp eye on the potential for snow, and even here in parts of the Salt Lake Valley, but most likely to the benches and even higher than that. So that's going to be a good part of the forecast. And if you are listening really, really closely, we launched something today to tell us what that temperature is going to be on up in the air, right? And that thing we launched up there so they could go on up and tell us what that temperature is going to be, and then we can forecast it from there. What was that thing that we did? What was the little chart we showed up above? Okay, we'll go back to Corey. Corey, tell me, what was that again?
A balloon.
A balloon. Excellent answer out there. We get to do this twice a day all across the world, so great answers for us. So we have to watch what happens into that Saturday and Sunday forecast. Nonetheless, we know that there will be big, big changes coming your way. Unfortunately, I just wish that maybe storm could have come more like yesterday and today instead of right over the weekend on Saturday and Sunday. Big football games going on. Utah State, Weber State, and even the University of Utah all have night games Saturday, and we have to watch for rain. So in the meantime, let's do another forecast. You can wave to Mr. Greg here and everybody at home watching, and we'll do a little weather right now. Byrider Cam shows hardly a cloud in the sky, and we show real-time temperatures. That still a great day. Your afternoon recess here at Academy Park is going to be spectacular for you. Real-time temperatures all across the region. It's been a nice one all across the state, but in the weather features to show, there's a bit of a spin that's down south, and down south you can see a few more clouds have been coming in here and there, and that means there's a very slim chance of an isolated storm in southern Utah today. It's not a great one, but it's about a 10-20% chance. So let's talk the weekend. Okay, the Futurecast forecast northern Utah today, nothing, nada. But as we go into your forecast tomorrow, you'll notice more clouds. There will be a very slight chance of a storm as well, but I wouldn't count on it. I think you could probably leave the rain gear at home and your parents don't have to give you the umbrella. But by the time we get into Saturday, watch out. The potential for a heavy rain corridor right now is forecast anywhere from Salt Lake and farther north into southern Idaho. That could mean a lot of heavy rain. And unfortunately for the games, Utah State and Logan, I would say a cold and rainy forecast looks pretty good. That's a pretty sure forecast. In Weber State, Ogden, they could be looking at a cold and rainy forecast too. Now, as for the University of Utah, could be right on the line in between where we're going to see the heavier rain. So we're having to watch that really close forecast of where it sets up, how far south that heavy rain will go. We go into southern Utah today, slight chance of an isolated storm, but once we get past today and really get into the weekend, most of this storm that hits is really going to affect northern Utah. So St. George, mid-80s today, mid-80s into the weekend, but then 70s coming behind the storm second half of the weekend next week. Salt Lake City, the 7-day forecast really shows it all here. You've got a great day today, near 80. Tomorrow, clouds come in and keep us to lower 70s, but Saturday, watch out for rain all the way through the day, through the evening hours. And then on Sunday, I would say getting up to about 5,000 to 5,500 feet. Any of you have friends that live in what we call the bench, a little bit higher elevation as you go up? If you go there, there's the chance, and a few hands went up, that we could see maybe a snowflake. And if we go up even higher, I've seen some of the mountains to maybe 3 to 6 inches of snow by the time we get into Sunday night and a Monday morning. One of those first ones of the year. Okay, fourth graders, thank you so much. I want you to help me say goodbye, though, real quick. Can you tell me? Well, no. Real quick, though. Can you guys, on the count of 3, say good for Utah as loud as you can? Okay, on the count of 3? On the count of 3. Okay? Okay. So here at ABC for Utah on midday, we like to say that we are 1, 2, 3. Good for Utah!